Welcome, paddlers. This guide is your comprehensive resource for navigating a kayak portage around Lower Salmon Dam, also called Hagerman Dam, on the Snake River. While the dam is not formally known as Hagerman Dam, the area close to the town of Hagerman is known for its connection to irrigation projects that play a crucial role in supporting agriculture in the region. Before we dive into the portage details, let's take a quick detour to explore the rich cultural history of the river. Rivers were the first superhighways, natural corridors that enabled human movement, trade, and exploration. It was often easier for early settlers to alter the river systems than to carve trails or build roads through rugged landscapes. This practical reliance on rivers for transportation laid the foundation for their transformation. Over time, humans recognized the immense power rivers held, not just as pathways, but as potential sources of energy. As a result, rivers became the first landscapes to be harnessed for industrial use, from irrigation to hydroelectric power. Snake River exemplifies this legacy. Its waters have long supported human habitation and agricultural development. The Lower Salmon Dam, like many others along the river, reflects the ongoing balance between human needs and the natural environment. Understanding this context enriches our experience as paddlers navigating these modified waterways. Here on the Kootenai today, a couple miles upstream, I started smelling the smoke from this paper mill up here. Whoa, look at that. A little choppy there. So, unfortunately, as part of what you see along these rivers, man is like railroads along the rivers, and they like to straighten them. So, and they like to put dams across them, all for the good of mankind. But occasionally you need to save nature, and eventually it will save all of us. So, now, onto the portage around Lower Salmon Dam. The portage at Lower Salmon Dam is one of the easiest along the Snake River due to its well-maintained layout, minimal elevation change, short distance, and compact gravel road. The portage begins at Lower Salmon Falls Park, which features a gravel parking lot, a concrete boat ramp, and a picnic area with grassy surroundings. The park also maintains pavilions for picnics and may be a source for recharging your batteries. Overall, the portage's accessibility, mild terrain, and stable surface contribute to its easy rating on my portage scale. From the takeout, paddlers face a 50-foot gradual climb to the road, followed by a steeper but manageable downhill descent past the dam. The total distance of the portage is 0.6 miles, with a gradual 60-foot climb and and a 97-foot descent. The route follows a paved road that allows for relatively easy transport using a kayak cart. The descent leads to a gravel parking lot with a steep, rough gravel trail to the water, but first you have to manage your way around large boulders blocking your path. I estimate that will take about an hour to complete this portage.